15 minutes tandoori chicken bites in air fryer. It's awesome, it's delicious, it's a delicious chicken breast recipe to its maximum flavor. We have 3 pounds of the chicken breast. Cube it out, make cubes out of it, make biteable size cubes out of it. This is the first thing we will do of our delicious chicken breast. We will be flavoring this meat with the tandoori seasoning, tandoori style flavor. All these 10 to 12 ingredients, or you can get ready-made chicken masala, tandoori chicken masala. It will make your life easy. Let's marinate this delicious chicken breast. Let's give them a tandoori seasoning flavor. If you have time, you can do all these individual ingredient recipe. If you don't have time, just get the ready-made masala and be happy about it. I have time. I want to show you the best flavors. Cinnamon powder, we will take half tablespoon. Garlic powder, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of it. Black pepper, half tablespoon of it. Red chili powder, half tablespoon of it, or you can use Kashmiri pepper, which will give naturally the reddish color. Coriander powder, we will take 1 tablespoon. Salt, on the safe side, just add half tablespoon for now. This is fenugreek leaves, do add it 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder, 1 tablespoon. Last but not least, this is cardamom, 1/4 tablespoon. It will make your chicken fragrant. Meat Tenderizer, it's a chicken breast, right? So it will make your chicken breast creamy, tender and moist. 1 tablespoon. Let's add some food color. So half tablespoon of the food color. Squeeze 1 whole lemon, fresh juice on top. Plain yogurt in this. It will make the creamy texture, and at the end you will get the charred flavor. Take 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 tablespoons of the yogurt. You can use ghee in there, or you can use olive oil. Since it's an air fry recipe, you can use canola oil. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 tablespoons of the olive oil. Just for the kick, to stay on top, right? Add the ready-made seasoning too. So you are covering your tandoori chicken from all the sides, you know. So 1 tablespoon of the ready-made tandoori seasoning. It will take your recipe to the next level. Let's do the magic. Let's mix everything up. Since it's a 15-minute recipe, and this will be the creamiest, delicious, flavorful chicken breast ever you can make at home in 15 minutes in your air fryer. It's so quick, just marinate. All the seasoning is sitting on top, and these are our delicious tandoori chicken bites right here. Look at these bites, flavored tandoori bites. Let's turn on our indoor fryer, indoor grill. This model has the grill option. This model has the bake option. This model has the roast option, or even dehydrate. Let's turn it on. Let's put it on the grill. The highest temperature is 510. Time, okay? Maximum is 12 minutes. In 12 minutes, my friend, once you marinate this in 3 minutes, you can cook this delicious tandoori chicken bites in 12 minutes. Let's turn it on. It's on the pre. 2 ways we can cook this. We will take bamboo skewers. So here you go. Look at this, okay? This is our easiest way to cook the tandoori bites. We have 4 beautiful bites, 4 beautiful chunks of breast. Let's add it here. Let's make another one. It has the color, it has the taste. So we will put 4 bites on this. And these are bigger bites, flavorful, bigger bites. 2 delicious skewers. This is all chicken breast and very less hassle, and cook time is so awesome. You will be happy about it. Our indoor grill is ready. Here you go. Let's open this and add first these 2 beautiful skewers. One goes right here. The other one goes right here. Now, remember I said we can cook. We can just put the meat in here, just like that. And it will cook 100%. So here you go, without the skewers. The skewers will uniform the meat, and if you don't have the skewers, don't worry about it. We have 12 minutes to go, right? So after 6 minutes, we will do a flip. 6 minutes are in. Let's flip our delicious tandoori bites. So here we go. Look at this. Oh, they look so wonderful. Let's give it a flip. Gently, you know. My God, this looks good. Take your time, you know, don't rush it. Just flip it so the chicken bites, they cook evenly. Here, easy, just flip it. This will be the charred, juicy. Oh my God, this is so tender. You touch it right now in 6 minutes. It has done its job because of the meat tenderizer. Let's close this. We have 6 more minutes to go. Let's wait just 6 more minutes and we will make some garlic chili sauce with it. So here you go. Blender juicer, 6-7 cloves of garlic, fresh green chilies. Add 3 of them. Add half of the lemon citrus flavor in here. Whoa. Yogurt, plain yogurt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half cup of water. Pinch of salt, 1/4 tablespoon. And let's blend this so our garlic chili delicious sauce will be ready. Here is the delicious garlic chili sauce. This is speedy work. Our delicious tandoori bites are ready. If you don't have a grill option in your air fryer or indoor grill, if you don't have the indoor grill, you want to just cook in the air fryer, 390 degrees and 20 to 25 minutes. Truth. Perfectly charred, fully seasoned, easy to do at home, and here it is. Whoa, they are tender, they have the char and the steamy breast. Oh my God, my friend, here goes one. These are the bites without the skewers. Let's add these right here. Who don't want that? This is your 15 minutes delicious tandoori chicken bites you can make at home. Let's do a taste test. Keep you down. Get up, get up, get up and run. Yeah. Let's do a taste test now. Tandoori bite skewer, or let's try this. Let's grab here. This is the breast, okay? It should be soft. Yum. And here you go. Man, wow. Homemade, fresh, delicious. Yum. Dip it in the sauce. Okay, here you go. Oh my. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You'll be happy. So it's not dry at all. I'm telling you, it's not dry at all. The best way you can season your chicken breast. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video. So we all can make delicious food at home. Clean, healthy. I can save this meat for later. Whenever I'm hungry, I can definitely cook this. Here you go.